Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save ChatGPT conversations as a PDF file. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Chrome Web Store. So open the store, and once you are here in Chrome Web Store, you simply need to search for ChatGPT prompt. PROMPT for Genius. Hit enter. So the first one, click on that, and you simply need to add to Chrome. Click on add extension. So now it is added into your Chrome. So once it is added, close that and go on to the Chat GPT and click on try Chat GPT. So here you need to search for how to make money online and hit enter. So it is now writing. So how you can save that as PDF file, you simply need to click on share and export, and here you can see option of download PDF. Click on that. So here you can see that it is now download on my PC as PDF file. So this is a process by which you can save ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.